1,000 miles away, they judge because they can. In their plush offices they couldn't give a damn. No reason to believe that there is a threat to man. For years we've been presented with the scientific papers, books and documentaries, a warning of the dangers. For those in the field we sing a different song. Can't you see? The earth can't breathe, the birds can't feed their young anymore. It's nature's law. We're playing for a team that is the same, not working on our own behalf for personal gain. The right time isn't in the future, it is now. Don't you see? It's not about me. We all must pull together more. It's nature's law. Find solutions, that's the key. Join your voice and sing with me. The world deserves our respect. Solutions come so easily when you focus on these three: clean, repair, protect our world. Find solutions, that's the key. Join your voice and sing with me. The world deserves our respect. Solutions come so